Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy, and do you need a new low-profile floor jack that's electric? Let me show you. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the setup of this brand new RoadTech electric floor jack. Now, I had a chance to go to SEMA this year, and as I was walking along and I looked over as I was walking past their booth, I was like, why do your floor jacks look different? I need a new one anyway. So I walked over to talk to him and just blown away by what I was looking at. A fully powered electric floor jack, no pump at all. You no longer have to pump. Can you? Yes. Do you have to? No, which is absolutely amazing. So you can be in scenarios where you can't get the handle to move or you don't have space on a big long handle on a low profile floor jack to pump. You don't have to anymore. RoadTech's really proud of this new product. They even won awards at SEMA for it. So I'll be honest with you, I knew I needed to have one. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It just arrived, so you're gonna walk through with me, taking it out of the box, and we're gonna get it all set up, and I'll demo it here on my M2. I am really excited to have this in my car, or have this in my garage, and I can use on my car. All right, let's take a look. All right, so this is what it looks like when it arrives, and I went ahead with the 6,000 pound, and they also have a 7,000 pound model. They look essentially the same. So let's get this going, and this literally is just straight off the truck. So this is what it's gonna look like when it arrives. All packed really well. You can see we've got our wheels, everything set up here.